This method can help address a key challenge in the field of synthetic organic chemistry, namely how to perform reactions under carbon dioxide atmosphere quickly and easily.
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows reactions to be performed under carbon dioxide atmospheres above ambient pressures without the need for expensive, specialized equipment.
Though this method can be useful for directed CH aerylation, it can also be applied to other reactions, such as CH carboxylation or converting epoxides into cyclic carbonates.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because they will fail to properly exfoliate the dry ice prior to addition or will take too long to seal the vial.
To begin, add a stir bar to a dry 7.5 milliliter vial and add 6.7 milligrams of palladium acetate to the vial. Next, add 99.9 milligrams of silver trifluoroacetate, 92.3 milligrams of phenyl iodide, and 26.3 milligrams of tert-amylamine to the vial. Then add 1 milliliter of acetic acid and 21.7 microliters of deionized water to the vial.
The key to success is to ensure that the appropriate amount of dry ice is added in a timely manner and that only dry ice, not deposited water, is added to the reaction vessel.
After weighing out 26.3 milligrams of dry ice, immediately add the ice and seal the vial with a PTFE-lined cap.
Before setting up the reaction, it is important to confirm a good fit between